Have you tried corn roasted on a pine cones? No? Join me and I will show you my ancient local recipe. Come on. Thanks for joining, guys. Today we're gonna cook very sweet corn in the middle of a field. Let's go. First of all, we collect pine cones and put it here. For a nice campfire. That's enough for a good heat. Pine cones are ready, let's fire it out. Not bad actually. Let's wait for them to burn out. So far so good, actually. When pines are ready, we can start roasting the corn. Let's go. Like this. Have a beautiful sweet corn. Like this. Cottura ore 5-7 minuti. We can now chill and relax with a beer. Cheers, guys! Sweet corn, hallelujah. Sweet corn, hallelujah. Oh yeah. Almost ready, guys. Almost ready. Beautiful. This color means it's time to eat. Oh yeah, pretty good. A pinch of salt for the taste. Oh. Taste of my childhood, guys. For sure. Thanks for joining, everybody. I hope you're doing great today and you've got a beautiful, peaceful weekend as well. enjoy your meal. Bye bye, see you next time.